Alright. Come let me hear you sing. Alright. Here we go. Naturally, he's decided on you. So going around and nothing as if it's you alone exists. Because we're trying to be calm, we're not afraid of attracting. The evening's done, we're not moved to this time. Alright. Come let me hear you sing. Alright. Walks of pain, with lots of foundation. Naturally deep makes me to mind of my life. Yes, I'm proud, and all the people will see. Naturally deep is the best of every design. It's good. Shut it off, and naturally deep understand. Establishing love in the mind and the time of his pride. What do you say? Shut it off, and naturally deep understand. Establishing love in the mind and the time of his pride. Alright. Come let me hear you sing. Alright. Robert Duff. How do you feel it? How do you feel? If you feel good, I want to hear the lead guitar. Now put your hands together. Flop it in man. If you love the gladiators. and we're gonna do it together. Are you ready? Compare. Don't like to get mixed up. But pushing me out in something I can do. I man don't take me listen. The kind of things we mix up. I man don't say what it's myself. I like to prove things for myself. Take a walk from 6th Street, trying to prove something. Go into the bottom of 10th Street. From corner to corner, you could hear. It's the youths, them I shout. Not the train, not the train, not the roads. Cool, not the train, yes I train. For the stand up in Babylon. Not the train, not the roads, not the cool, not the train, yes I train. For the stand up in the Gideon. How you feeling? So I take a walk from 6th Street, trying to prove something. Going to the bottom of 10th Street. From corner to corner, you could hear. It's the youths, them I shout. Not the train, not the roads, not the cool. Yes, I'm train. For I stand up in Babylon. Not the train, not the roads, not the cool, not the train. Yes, I'm train. For I stand up in Babylon. How do you feel it? How do you feel? I want to hear the man and the big guitar. Put your hands together. If you're feeling good. What do you say? Not the roads, not the gold. Yes, them trend. For we stand up in the Gideon. Not the trend, not the roads, not the gold. Conquer not the trend, yes, the trend. For we stand up in Babylon. Are you ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can say I can get. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can say Confusion. Everyone will sing. Everyone will sing. And when the rise of sweat, the belly of flow. How you feeling? How you feel, my people? Don't let them trick you out. Don't let them fool you out. The system is a fraud. Thank you. Wonderful people you are. I say you are our stars. Thank you. Thank you. Well, as we say, the time is going, so we got to touch and go show. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Remember these things. Here's my friend, someone may be healing, hearing what you upset about my brother. Hearing what you upset about your sister. Hearing what you upset your fashion. Hearing what you upset because everything goes in. So if you don't know what that was, don't say the word wrong. 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 Don't say. How you feel? He's my friend, someone may be eating. Hearing upset about the brother. Hearing upset about your The lead guitar. How you feeling? How you feel? Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Really? Come on! I work hard. Keep your motion and don't say work hard. Keep your motion and don't say. How you feel, my people? Thank you. Work hard. Thank you. God bless you.